Use Safari Ltd figurines to make a lovely customized candle holder. You will need the In the Woods tube by Safari Ltd. Additional supplies can be picked up at the dollar store, a craft store, or Walmart. To begin, you will hot glue the twine at the top of the wine glass stem and twist around until it covers the entire stem of the glass, and then hot glue it in place at the bottom to anchor it. Cut a length of the thin ribbon, hot glue in place, and then tie a bow. For the candle, wrap the wide ribbon completely around the base, cut, and then use thumbtacks to tack into place. For the inside decor, you will need to deconstruct your fall stems. Bend the wire on the fall stems into a flat curve, hot glue down to the wooden base. You will then hot glue a rock, moss, and the Safari Ltd figurine of your choice. Add the wine glass onto the base. You can choose to hot glue it if you want it to be permanent, and then add the candle. These beautiful candles add a warm seasonal touch to any tablescape. This craft is very versatile. Just add new Safari Ltd figurines and seasonal elements to change out for each holiday.